What's up guys, I hope you've had a great week. Today we're going to take a look at the latest mystery grab bag from createalong.com. The grab bags are always limited in quantity and you'll never know exactly what's inside, but they can contain silk screens, molds, deco discs, magic transfer papers, stamps, cutters, stencils, and a lot more. Some of the items will be new and some items will be seconds, but all will be usable. So let's take a look at what we've got in this grab bag. So here's everything that came in the grab bag. We're going to start with these heat set cabochons. I really like these colors. This lavender and this green are my two favorite. They also included this blue one and even an extra baggie of the blue. This is a really nice blue. I really like these little jars as well. Once they're empty, I'm going to be keeping all of them. Next thing we're going to look at is this. This actually was a piece that was included in the Hello Sunshine Create Along box. It was last month's box. I really didn't like the first one I got. I don't like the second one. It's just, I really don't know what I'm going to do with it. I know I want it to hang on a wall, but besides that, I'm not sure. I'm not really into the sunshine theme. I'm glad I got it though. It'll force me to have to come up with something creative. This next one is a really nice texture sheet. I really like the color of it. I know that's not important at all, but I really like this orange. I'm not sure why. It's a very pale orange. I quite like it. It's a nice solid, not silk screen, texture sheet. This next one is a deco disc. It came damaged. I'm pretty sure this happened in manufacturing, but it doesn't affect the overall texture at all. I'm really glad that I got this because I've been wanting something like this for quite a while now, and it's really going to come useful. So the next thing was, this was also included in the St. Patrick's Day something or another. I can't remember. It was something I ended up not getting. I'm not sure. Yeah, you could have read that. Celebrated, drink up, tipsy time, happy hour. They have this 5 o'clock down here. I don't know if that was actually supposed to be something you used or not, but you could easily use it. The rest of these are really nice. This one kind of looks like it might be defective. I'm not sure how that's going to work out, but I really love these. This is actually my favorite, unfortunately, so if this doesn't work, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. This is my second favorite here, and I really like this one. This is a really nice silk screen. In fact, all of these silk screens are really nice. I really love these ones here. I'm not quite sure what kind of design this is, but it looks like it would go on a wall, personally. I really like this one as well. This one was included in the Sunshine Create Along box. I've already got this. I don't really like it. Again, I'm not into the whole sunshine thing, but it's a decent silk screen just the same, and I'm definitely going to be using it. In fact, I'm going to be using this one for testing, which is why I'm glad that I did get it in the end, because it will allow me to test different things without risking ruining an actual one that I will use at some point. This here is my absolute favorite of all the silk screens. I absolutely love this design here. This is my second favorite, but I really like this one as well. I'm really super happy that I got this. I really can't wait. This is probably going to be the first one I use. This next one is also one of my favorites. It might be my absolute favorite of all the designs so far that I've had from all the silk screens, but I really like it. I have no idea what I'm going to be using it for yet. Alright, next up we've got these 4 cutters here. I'm really excited about this one. I have been wanting a teardrop and I haven't been able to find one locally, and now I have one. This one here, I'm not quite sure. I want to do a piece of jewelry with it, but I as well want to use it for some kind of decoration. I'm looking forward to figure out what I'm going to do with this exactly, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to use the cabochons for this as well. This one here I am super excited about. It did come kind of unfinished. I don't know how well you can pick that up, but I really am glad that they sent me this one because I'm super interested in 3D printing, and this really shows just how small these little piece of plastic string are. I'm super happy that I got this, but I especially love this design here. I have got an idea for what I'm already going to do with this, and I will definitely be posting it as soon as I'm done with it. This last one is the smallest circle cutter I have. I'm really glad I got this because I'm looking for as many different sizes as I can get. Overall, I would say this is probably more valuable than even the Create-Along boxes. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love the Create-Along box, but you just get more, I think, with this. And it's not all like a theme, it's broken up to random stuff, and I can do a lot more with it. I like having a themed box, don't get me wrong, it gets me set in the right direction, but there's so much more I can do with this. Personally, I would suggest picking up a box as soon as you can, or a bag. So I had my camera cut out on me, but what I was trying to say was it's definitely got some really good value. I kind of regret not getting a grab bag sooner. Honestly, after seeing everything that's in it, it really is worth the money. So I highly recommend that you do try it out at least one time. But that's going to be the end of this video. I'd like to thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to see more.